My name is Frankie Spontelli, and I'm an adventure landscape photographer based in Denver, Colorado. What I enjoy the most when I'm out here on these photography trips is the feeling of freedom. I love being out chasing sunrise and sunset and shooting astrophotography, and just the feeling of tucking the phone away, kind of shutting my watch off, and just really being in the moment. One of the things I enjoy the most about being in these remote kind of open spaces would be the feeling of calm, quiet, and pretty much like you're the only one out here sometimes. Shooting landscape photography during the middle of the day when the light is really harsh can be super challenging. So making sure you're at locations early or able to sleep nearby can be super beneficial to chasing these sometimes 30-45 minute long sunrise or sunsets. So you have time to capture different compositions and hone in on different parts of the landscape based on how the light is falling over those pieces of landscape differently. Before we started heading out on van trips, we would often sleep in the car or try to find a cheap hotel nearby, and didn't have the resources that we have in here, like the ability to charge things or eat right in the vehicle. If you are feeling tired, you can jump in the back, take a little nap while you're waiting for the lighting to get good. There's just a whole list of advantages that come along with being able to pull my laptop out, take a look at some images, edit on the go. From just being able to live, sleep, eat, and work out of a vehicle like this is just a dream come true for a photographer, videographer, any creative. It is the small things. It's the comfortability of a bed to lay on at night, stretch out in, a little space to work, and also just having the little kitchen in here can be a huge advantage to keep you kind of powering through the early mornings and the long nights. These camper vans have changed the game when it comes to any type of creative who's out on a trip like this, whether you're a videographer or photographer. Just the ability to be parked right at the trailhead or at the entrance of the park. So being able to just park where you want to be when the light gets good, and also get out of the elements a little bit, can be a huge advantage for any kind of creative coming out on a trip like this. I can jump right out of the bed here and grab my bag and head out and capture moments that will live with me forever.